Hi guys, I'm back again with my A-iPower generator, and this time I'm going to show you guys that I brought myself a magnetic foil dipstick. It preserves your inverter and generator by keeping metal out of the engine. It collects metal shavings floating in your generator's oil tank. So here it is. I bought this in Amazon. I called A-iPower and they recommended me to get this specific model. The model of this A-iPower is SC2300i from Costco. So let's see if it fits. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it'll fit. Oh yeah. Yes, it's a perfect match. Yes. Check it out, guys. Let's see if there's any buildup. Fortunately, there's no buildup yet, so which is good. I strongly recommend this from Amazon. It fits an A-iPower SC2300i. Thank you for watching.